diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share a very fast and very short wrap-up review for Wonderland from Distracted by Diamonds with original art by Matt Lyon. Now this is going to be a very short video because I loved the canvas and I have no complaints and nothing to tell you other than how much I loved the canvas. So just a quick disclaimer, I work for Distracted by Diamonds on a limited basis in the area of art licensing. The FTC makes me tell you that every time I show you something from Distracted by Diamonds. However, I do my best to be as unbiased in my product reviews as I possibly can be. Robin is a friend, you guys are also friends, so I owe it to everyone to tell you what to expect when you get a canvas like this. So this one was a 60 by 80 round drill canvas. It had 40 colors. I had a fabulous experience with this canvas. This is a very detailed, confetti heavy canvas. So my close angle here is not going to show it to its best effect. I'll be sure to take you out for a long view as if it were hanging on your wall so you can get a really true effect. Now I replaced a lot of regular drills in this canvas. If you saw the video, I'll link up in the cards, with AB drills from Diamond Painting with Sparklers, mostly in shades of purples and pinks. So you're seeing some of that on the rooftops, but I did still use the charted colors with those ABs. So if you use the regular drills, you're gonna get, I would say, a similar effect, just a non-AB effect. So some things I absolutely loved about this canvas. Every square I did had something fun and interesting and different to look at. This is a collage of little adorable charming houses with these super cute like rainbow windows and little puffs of smoke coming out of the chimneys. There are little snowmen tucked in every now and then. From a distance these show up much better, but oh my gosh, every square had something charming to look at. I had plenty of drills, and I actually have already kitted this one down because I literally had no trash to show you. I had leftovers and no trash, so that is like the least interesting review video ever because it went exactly to plan, right? Now I would say that the adhesive on this canvas did not have quite the tack that some canvases have. I really have no fear about my drills falling off this. That's not what I mean when I talk about the adhesive. It's more like my Patty Wax Super Sticky fought with the adhesive more on like the upper edge of this canvas than I'm used to. And I don't know if there was just a thinner layer of adhesive up there or exactly what. That is not an experience that I had on Flaming June. I'm not worried about it. Like I said, the drills seem very firmly seated and it's very sticky. There was just a bit of a fight with my Patty Wax Super Sticky in a couple of areas. My observation about the rendering is that it's a bit confetti heavy actually, and you guys know I love confetti. I absolutely adore confetti. And when I zoom in on this image, I can see exactly why this was rendered with a lot of confetti, because none of even the solid colors are solid colors. They are produced with a textured effect on the original artwork. So I can see, for example, why like some of these rooftops have a lot of confetti, because in the original there's a lot of color variation there. I do think on the charting in a few places it would have been nice to actually have a little more color blocking, and I never thought I'd hear myself say that, but in a few places it would have made things a bit clearer, like in the area of the snowmen where we have some cute little guys down here. I actually could add some drills down here, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how it was charted before I messed with it. But the beautiful thing about the confetti is when I step back from the image, it turns into art. And so that's one reason that confetti is so fabulous for rendering diamond paintings, even though when you look at it up close like I have you here, it's like, what are all those speckles? Why do we have so many speckles, you know? So when I rate my diamond painting experiences, I try to avoid like, was this canvas absolutely perfect in every regard? And I do that for all my companies at this point, you guys. Whether it's a DIY moon shop, a diamond art club, any of that, My main criteria for my review is, was this canvas fun to do? Did I feel stress about any aspect of it when I was working on it? And on this one, the answer is a resounding no. I felt no stress about any of it, about how it was turning out, about the rendering, about the quality of the diamonds, which was perfect, about the adhesive. Even though my Patty Wax Super Sticky was competing in a few places, I never had the feeling that my effort is not going to last on this one. And the artwork is adorable. So by all of my own criteria, this guy gets an A+. 2021 is starting off with a bang in diamond painting for me. I've already kitted up my next project, so I'm looking forward to showing that to you. I have a soft spot for Matt Lyon's work, so I'm really hoping that this canvas will come back. Hint, 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 hint. So if it's one you'd like to see, leave a comment in the description below, and we'll see if we can mount a little campaign with Robin here, if you're a fan of this one and didn't get to snag it. So I really had a ton of fun working on this canvas. I also own Night Vale, which was the other of Matt Lyon's pieces from his first release. So I'm excited to get into that one as well. As promised, I'll keep it short and sweet for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.